Does it take you long to upload books to Amazon KDP? I have a solution for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing my experience using this free KDP upload automation. If you're a subscriber, you must have seen me using this on several occasions. If you're new to my channel, I'm going to be taking you from A to Z, publishing a low content book to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. There's an upload automation for print on demand as well as upload automation for Kindle Direct Publishing, but in this video I'll be focusing on Kindle Direct Publishing. So this is how it looks like when you want to start a free trial. Just come down here and click free version. You'll be able to download it and you have 30 uploads per month. But if you're uploading more than 30 books per month, then you need to upgrade to the Pro plan, and you can get 10% off by using this code KDP10. So I'll just take you to my tool to show you how it works. I've already filled in the information needed to publish my book to KDP. I'll just go over a few things with you, like the keywords. How do I get the keywords? Publisher Rocket is a tool that I use to do my book research. It's a complete tool that you can use to do your keyword research, competition, analyzing, category searching, and more. So I've already searched for my keywords. I've already searched for Halloween journal and Halloween notebook. For Halloween journal, this is the keywords that have been given. What I like about Publisher Rocket is that these keywords are what the customer typed in or searched for, and they give you the average monthly earnings as well as the estimated Amazon searches per month. If you want to learn more about a keyword, you just click on analyze and you'll see if that keyword is worth adding to your book keywords or not. Publisher Rocket is $97 one-time payment. If you'd like to learn more about it, the link is in the description. So let's go back to Flying Upload, and I'm going to be the next thing I would like to talk about is the manuscript. Where did I get this manuscript from? So the website I get my manuscripts from is called Bookbold. So if I want an interior, all I need to do, for example, if I want a blank page, I'll click on blank page. Then I'll choose the dimensions as well as the number of pages and click download. So take for example music sheet. I'll go no bleed 6x9 100 pages download. When I click download, this is how it looks like, 100 pages. So just go to bookboard.io, go to resources. From the drop down menu, click on interior wizard. Click on interior wizard again and you'll be brought to this page. Then when you downloaded the manuscript, go to options, settings, then manuscripts, and you upload your manuscript here. Once you upload it here, you'll be able to toggle between the interior that you want. But for this video, I'll be going with the journal. Another thing that I'd like to mention is I purposely put two different covers here. This one is for a t-shirt from a design that I previously uploaded. Then this one is a book cover from Vexels. So this t-shirt design, you can just take a t-shirt design. If you don't have a book cover design, you can repurpose your t-shirt designs into book covers. Once you upload the design, click on example. You'll be brought with a PDF showing you exactly how your book cover is going to look like, so it's automatic. In another video, I'm going to talk about how to automatically generate your color book using file upload. So now that I'm done filling in the title and all the information needed for KDP, I'm going to be uploading. Come here, click on upload. So I'm signing into my account. This is my cursor. I'm not moving it. Flying upload is the one working by itself. It's just filling the information I put into the tool. See how fast it is. So now it has uploaded my cover and it's saving it. Everything looks good, so it's going to go ahead and approve it. Now it's just choosing the marketplace as well as inputting the price. And the reason I put it at $4.99 is because I always like going low than if it has just submitted it. So I like going low, and if there are sales, many sales, then I increase the price. So as you can see, it has given an upload report telling me that everything was successful right here. There was no failed upload. So that is basically how simple it is to upload hundreds of books on autopilot just by setting and clicking start. The links to all the tools I've mentioned in this video are found in the description below. Have you ever used Fly Upload? If you have, leave a yes in the comment section. If you haven't, leave a no in the comment section. In my next video, I'll explain how I increase the chances of my book being seen by customers, and also how I advertise my books for almost free. So if you'd like to see that video, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload that video. See you on the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.